We'll select Get Data to bring up the Get Data window. As we scroll through this screen, we can see just how many data sources Power BI can work with. For now, we'll get data from an Excel file. We'll click Excel, and then Connect. We'll now navigate to the correct folder and choose the appropriate file. Power BI will take a moment to connect to the data, and then load a navigator screen. On the left of this window, we can see that Power BI has identified the 3 sheets in this particular file, representing the 3 datasets we saw in the Excel workbook. When we click on any of the sheets, a preview of the data in that sheet appears on the right side of the window. The data is visible in a tabular format, with the top row of each sheet identified as the column names. We can pick sheets to include in our report by clicking on the associated checkboxes. For now, we'll load all 3 of the sheets. If we want, we can edit the sheets by selecting them and clicking Edit. This will bring up the query editor, which we'll cover in more detail in a later course. We don't need to do any editing, so we'll click Load. Be aware that the loading process can take a little time. The table names now appear in the Fields pane on the right side of the screen.